we finished all our check-in and we're officially in Langkawi now, and we're renting a car to get some work done. Kaftan is going to now drive the car. Kaftan, gaadi chalani aati hai? This week we're going to try something different. Rather than showing you a week or a day in 10 minutes, we're going to show you raw and unedited footage of just one activity. Oh, what a lovely morning. This is a lovely Monday morning, and it's a Monday today, yeah. And Payal is ready to go up on the mast to check some of the lights.
Oh, I feel so alive as I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day, 'cause I found my way.
Gaurav, can you give us a bit of the precautions that we're taking for her to go up?
So we have two lines. We're sending her up with the main halyard.
Okay.
And another halyard is a safety line.
Okay.
These two are going to venture up on the halyards, and the other one I'll just keep down slack as she goes up.
Okay.
So that the weight stays on both of them.
So how many times have you climbed up on a mast before?
I don't remember that.
Oh, it's that many times, huh?
I think that, yeah. Because every time we used to do the refit of boat, or maybe a simple check also, you need to climb up.
Let's go now.
I remember the first time.
Ah.
That was...
Start winching. Winch.
Okay, so they're trying to pull me up now. Oh, it is very windy and I'm moving quite a bit. This is a view, amazing view. Yeah.
Don't be in a hurry.
So right now I'm on top of the mast. I'll show you the view first. That's a tower. So the thing is, we are here to change the anchor light. As you can see, this is the tri light and this was the anchor light here. So I just took it out. I took out this anchor light which is now not working, and planning to change it with the new anchor light. So let's try it here to fix it. I think I need to keep the GoPro just to go a little up. Understood. Understood.
तो अंदर से it needs to be cleaned with paper. Spray कर paper से अंदर से that.
Understood. Okay. So Captain Gogo is telling me to clear this part and then put the cover. Also, he's telling me to put the jubilee clip because a plastic part here is broken. As you guys can see now that both the lights are working, the tri-light and the anchor light is working. And here's the front view. Okay, let me check if any of the things are chafing or we need to change. This is fine. Not sure about this thing. Just a normal routine check of mast. So I've changed both the bulbs and now the final fitting has been secured by the electrical tape so that it doesn't fly and water doesn't get inside. I'll show it to you guys. This is how it looks and it's working perfectly. So friends have come to meet Reeva and ready to go down to first spreader. Let's go. So second task was to check the deck light because it was not working. So I opened this deck light screws. 4 screws are here and I pulled it out, checked it, cleaned it and put it back. Now it's working. So we are tightening back the screws and then we are good to go down. Maybe I will be checking the mast also. Half of the mast has been checked and last half will be checked now. Let me show you some view till that time. Not able to stabilize. It's tough job, guys. As you can see, it's been rolling a lot and wind is about. How much is the wind? 20? Nice. Trying to stabilize myself. Okay. Okay, can we check the light once again? I've fixed it. Lights, next light. Yeah, it's working. Turn it off. Oh. Finally, the job is done. Let's check the mast once again.
Hey, PG is back!
Okay.
After bearing the winds of Langkawi.
Yeah, it was damn windy.
Yeah, I can imagine.
I was swinging all the way.
And Ankit, you had like some extra upper body workshop, I'm saying, workout.
I was missing it. Finally, I have.
And Captain?
Yo.
All okay?
Yeah.
क्या होता है वो? What is that Hindi का dialogue?
All the task has been
How's the
accomplished.
Josh?
How's the Josh? Hi!
So maybe
Yes.
the task has been accomplished. That's a good news. Good news of
Payal's experience and Ankit's enthusiasm were a blessing. With more hands on deck and some creative brainstorming, we've tried a new format of video. Do comment and let us know if you'd like it this way. Crew member, ready to leave?
Yep, ready to leave. I miss you all, guys.
Yes!
बच जा फिर
I
कैंसिल
miss
कर
all. Huh?
कैंसिल कर दो बच जा
चलो भाई, let's go.
Okay.
Guys, see you.
Bye, see you.
Bye bye.
Keep us in the loop.
All the best for your upcoming journeys.
Ooh. What we have company? These are the dangerous ones, right?
It will be painful.
Yeah, we can use the last few hours of the crew on board and make them work. Yeah.
Lots of work being done. पायस, तुमने तो इंजन को बड़ा चमका दिया.
अरे वाह, डॉक्टर साहब, आपका इंजन तो मोतियों जैसे चमक रहा है. क्यों ना हो मास्टर जी? क्यों ना हो मास्टर जी? हम PGNM के एक्सपर्टीज जो इस्तेमाल करते हैं.
Most important.
Asu, no tears. What? Some drama for the video.
I said drama
Cause I find my